Have you ever noticed how some women, no matter their age, carry an unusual magnetism around them? They might not be the youngest or match the traditional definition of beauty, but there's something about them, something that draws men's eyes, makes them want to be near them, and keeps them coming back again and again. This isn't by chance, and it's definitely not about luck. It's about specific habits and behaviors these women have developed and refined over time. Habits that make them naturally irresistible. Real charm doesn't only come from how someone looks. True attraction goes far beyond makeup and designer clothes. It's rooted in the kind of energy you send out, the way you carry yourself, and the strong self-belief you hold deep inside. In this video, I will share 6 powerful behaviors that turn an ordinary woman into someone unforgettable. If you choose to practice them, I promise you will begin to see things shift. You'll notice how men interact with you differently, how they start reaching out more often, and how without even trying hard, you begin to attract the kind of attention that once felt rare. Stay with me until the very end, because behavior number 6 is the most surprising and transformative one. Most women have no idea it even exists, but once you embrace it, everything changes. What is it that truly makes a woman stand out in a crowd? A lot of people assume it's all about youth or physical features, but the truth is something much deeper. A woman with life experience can often be more captivating than someone younger. Why? Because she holds something priceless, true confidence. She doesn't question who she is. She's not constantly looking for approval. She knows her value and stands firm in it. That kind of self-assurance is magnetic. Her emotional life and the things she's lived through have shaped her. She understands what she wants and what she's not willing to accept. That makes her more careful about who she allows close and less needy for attention. She gives off an energy that is elegant and mysterious. She doesn't reveal too much right away. She knows how to keep interest alive by letting curiosity do some of the work. And that's the real secret. Men are not only pulled in by outer appearance. What truly keeps them interested is the type of energy a woman gives off. Think about it. Why do some women, even if they don't look perfect by society's standards, still attract all the attention? Because they give off something deeper and undeniable. Presence, the way they move, speak, and exist in a space is captivating. When when a woman knows how to own this, men can't look away. Her presence alone creates interest. She doesn't have to chase it. Her energy does all the work. And the best part is this: it's not something you need to be born with. It's a result of certain habits and actions that any woman can start to practice now that you understand the kind of influence you can grow into. Let's begin with the first behavior that can shift how men view you. And believe me, once you apply this, you'll begin to notice real change right away. Behavior number 1, confidence is seen before anything else. Before someone even notices your hair, your clothes, or your makeup, the very first thing they pick up on is how sure you are of yourself. Nothing draws attention like a woman who believes in who she is. It shows in how you walk, how you speak, and how you carry yourself in any space. A woman who knows her worth doesn't wait for others to confirm it. She simply lives it. She doesn't need anyone's permission to shine. She just does. Think for a moment. Imagine entering a room and seeing 2 women. One looks attractive, but slouches, avoids looking at others, and seems uncomfortable in her own body. The other may not match every beauty trend, but she walks tall, looks people in the eye, and moves like she knows she belongs. Which one do you think people would gravitate toward? Confidence pulls people in, and the great thing is, you don't have to be born with it. You can develop it. You can choose to make it part of who you are. There's even research to back this up. A study from Webster University found that people with strong confidence are seen as more appealing, even if they don't meet society's usual beauty rules. Why? Because confidence sends a powerful message. I know I matter. I know what I want, and I don't need to be approved by others. That kind of energy isn't just seen. It's felt, and it pulls others toward you. Without effort, how can you start using this in everyday life? Start with how you carry yourself. Walk with your shoulders back and your head held up. Your body language speaks louder than your words. If you're always hunched over or looking at the ground, it sends out a message of doubt. But if you move with purpose, you show the world you trust yourself. Speak slowly and clearly. Women who feel secure in themselves don't rush to fill silence or explain everything. They're